Hi! Remember our last DIY video about the RouterBoard products? Turns out everyone is really thirsty for custom DIY solutions. That's why we're announcing a Wi-Fi 6 reboot of the RouterBoard series. A real MikroTik sandbox. Choose your own adventure, features and price. We're starting with a modest yet versatile L11UG. Like its predecessor, the good old RB911, it is your best friend if you want to build your own custom, low-cost CPE devices for using indoors or outdoors, depending on where you'll mount it. This tiny board features a modern Qualcomm Maple CPU based on the ARM architecture. It has a USB port for external storage, or maybe something like controlling other devices. You might even try running some basic container apps on this baby. But be warned, for serious heavy container loads, we have other AX devices. There's a Gigabit Ethernet port with PoE-in and a powerful Wi-Fi 6 radio for 5 GHz frequency. Fast, reliable and responsive wireless on a budget for all your project builds. When it comes to antennas, we know that you guys have different needs, so we're leaving this part up to you. Use the MMCX connectors to add your own Wi-Fi antennas. True customization for all your crazy exciting projects. Surprise us! If you want to learn more about the benefits of upgrading to Wi-Fi 6, you can watch our short video here. As for powering, just like the previous products, this device also has some redundancy. There is PoE-in and a DC jack. Nice and handy. Finally, let's talk about enclosures. If you're trying to build something like a vending machine, coffee machine or a ticket machine, you probably don't need any extra enclosures. I mean, that's the main selling point of these router boards. You can attach them to existing devices, combine, integrate, merge, fuse, you get the idea, saving precious space. However, if you're building a standalone access point that is not hidden in the belly of another device, you can order one of our aluminum indoor cases, the same ones you used for RB411, 911, 912, 922, so they're reusable, saving the planet and your wallet at the same time, right? Oh, and by the way, the form factor similarities don't end there. We kept a super special fun thing, the beeper. Let there be music. So, to sum it up, 5 GHz Wi-Fi 6, Gigabit Ethernet with PoE-in, compact size, and a modern Qualcomm Maple CPU with full RouterOS version 7 support that comes with a level 4 license, a drop-in replacement for the RB911, 711 or even the older models that all share the same size and mounting holes. And we're only getting started. There are more DIY router boards coming soon, so stay tuned and let me know in the comments, what are you building next? I'm very curious to see your custom projects.